क्या चाहिए शो में?
I said he is a showman.
Hmm.
He can portray India, and he's showing India's development. Maybe at the root level, it is not there that much what he's showing. But you need, whether that is the industry, that is society, that is state. My state has so much of development. Unless until you don't show that, how can you say we are above? How China or America or Canada will understand that India, there is a development in India.
Hmm.
There is a development in India.
Yes.
And if our Prime Minister is committing on that and showing that, it's not bad.
Hmm.
See, sometimes there are big marriages happening. They don't have marriage, they don't have money, but they spend lot. Show to the people, yeah, we have so much of money to spend for the marriage.
Yeah.
So for the other siblings, these rishtas will come. It is everywhere. If you talk about your studies in America, it is helping you. When you talk to them, say I have studied in US. That means this man has the capacity.
Exactly. You're right. Because इसमें क्या है कि when anybody does this sort of thing, ना, like goes abroad or does, he's already has the grit कि मेरे को करके दिखाना है. It's not easy to go in an unknown country and then figure it out and then pass through it and then get a job, whatever. It requires a lot of resilience. And if somebody understands who's willing to hire you or you're willing to hire them, they understand that this person knows how to do end to end. He's not going to give up. Despite how alienated the environment can be for that person.
And he has seen the other side of the world and he understands the difference between the two countries.
Yeah.
He understands. Then maybe he implements that in India, or he has a international vision.
Yeah.
If you are in India or you are in Thailand or you have become the cocoon of that.
Yeah.
But when you go to the different countries, your vision, every country has plus and the minus. If you understand the positiveness of that country, you will say, oh yeah, in Malaysia this is what it is good in petroleum, it is good in that thing. So those things matters a lot, I think.
Yeah.
You see, when we were in Kashmir, our vision was limited. You see, okay, our father gave us good studies and everything. Vision was limited. But when we crossed that, we came to Delhi, vision changed. We understood. Then when we studied outside, it gave us clear vision. No, Kashmir is beautiful, but their infrastructure is not good. Colleges are not that good. Industries are not there except local handicraft industries. So that opened your vision. So that's very important. Why parents send their children after taking loan to the other countries? So they will have a better future. है ना? But a middle class Indian cannot, he doesn't have that much income that he can spend so much on. He says, okay, I'll take the risk and I'll send my children abroad, which I think your father had. He had a clear vision, no, my children should not be, because he tried a lot to run
But
away from
now
India.
I'm understanding also that the same middle class community who have been able to put their kids through very good colleges, those kids are now having certain jobs that is already keeping them in an international space.
Yes.
Because like international companies are able to send them abroad on certain projects and assignments at their own expense. And then they so in that way they're able to get the project experience, the international project experience. They're able to collaborate and get a similar flavor, but they are also now they have the money to even but they invested in their careers early on. They got through good school, they worked hard, they put in the work, and now it's two ways. Either you go via the route of studying abroad and doing independently something else, or setting up a startup abroad, or you work through a organization that helps you to go abroad and helps you see that.
Yes.
Both the options should be availed, matlab, whichever works for you.
Yes.
In those ways. More I feel in if this the first option of going abroad independently gives you more flexibility, because there is less contractual agreements between you and the company, so that gives you more fluidity to move around, and that is also a good thing. It just depends on where you are in your life and how much risk you want to take depending on your present circumstances. So yeah, it's true.
Anything, when you come out of your cocoon, anything good, you should accept. See, sometimes what happens is you are rigid to accept certain things. But why rigidity? If there are certain good qualities in some other person, accept that quality. So if you see something negative, run away from that person, because that person's negativity will affect you. So why to have the negative thing in the body? You are inviting diseases. If the person cannot change, he has to talk about the people, he has to have the negative opinion about the people. Why to first thing, the most important thing, when you say Mananjay has this, he does this thing, but he has certain good qualities, everybody loves him, he is a people's person. But other side, if he has the other thing, you don't accept that. Okay, let him enjoy. If it is giving happiness to him, that's what is very important. See, Shobha would have not come here. Shobha and his son, they'll never come like this.
Yeah.
नहीं है उनको, उन्होंने देखा ही नहीं है. They'll wear clothes, they'll go to the good restaurant, have khana. This is the outing for them. They'll never come like this cup of tea. How it started? It started 1995 when we purchased that land. We used to go there, right from the first tree to the last till today. We used to enjoy that place. So we had already the seed in our mind कि ये हमने कश्मीर में ये सब करता था. हमारा बाप हमें लेके जाता था पहलगाम. हमारा दादाजी बोलता था चलो चश्मशाही जाते हैं घूमने के लिए. So that outdoor outing was giving us happiness. So same way with your father, we used to go to the farm, small happiness. So same thing we are liking it. Even if it is what is this place? कोई घास नहीं, कोई कुछ नहीं, कोई कुछ.